The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. Anyone trading meme coins knows the struggle. Plenty of rugs, tons of hype, and not much payoff. I've seen it all, which is why I decided to stop playing along and start doing it my own way. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process of how I launch meme coins myself, and how you can use the same system to start making real money with it. Here's the key. Instead of playing the game as a trader, you start playing as the creator. Right away, most people think pump fun, but that's where things fall apart. It's just too flooded now, and the chances of standing out and actually doing well are super slim. Rather than taking the typical path, I'm going to walk you through how to launch your coins on Raydium. This platform just works better. It's got more solid tokens, healthier activity, and way less competition. Just check out this list. While Pump Fun is constantly overflowing with new coins, Raydium usually sees somewhere between 1 and 10 fresh launches every minute. I'll walk you through how to launch on Raydium the easy way. I found this site called moontool.fun that makes the process incredibly smooth. Usually launching a coin would mean learning to code and navigating a bunch of confusing menus, but this platform simplifies it all. Just a few clicks and you're good. Let's get started. Step 1 is super important. You need a logo that either grabs attention fast or makes people laugh. That's what gets your coin noticed. Best strategy? Just ride the current meme wave. Check what's trending online, Twitter, TikTok, wherever, and build off that. For this run, I'm using the iconic Elmo this time. I'm pretty sure it'll have good results. Make sure you export your logo at 128 by 128 pixels, and you're ready. With the logo locked in, we're moving on to step 2, getting the coin creation process going. All you need to do is hit this button to connect your wallet and approve the permission it asks along the way. First up, you'll need to fill in your coin's basic details. That means giving it a name, a symbol, a description, and uploading the logo you just made. For this example, I'm naming it Elmo Coin with the symbol Elmo. In the description, just throw in something funny that fits the vibe of your coin. Once that's all set, upload the logo and hit next to move on. This section covers tokenomics, but truthfully, there's not much for you to do. Everything's pre-filled with values that work just fine, so you can skip adjusting anything and simply click next to continue. At this step, you'll see a couple of optional fields to add your name as the creator, and a launch site name for your token. It might look like a nice touch, but honestly, it's not worth the effort. It even charges you 0.1 Sol, and I wouldn't bother with it, even if it were free. Just switch it off and move on. Similar to the creator section, there's a place where you can add social media links for your token. This one can actually help your project, so if you've got those accounts ready, definitely plug them in. I'm skipping it in this video, just to keep things moving quickly. This part's super important, so make sure you're locked in. We're dealing with the revoke authorities, basically the security features that protect your coin. Here's the quick breakdown. Revoke freeze, make sure your token can't be frozen forever. Revoke mint stops infinite token creation, and revoke update seals the contract so it can't be altered later. These settings are public, so anyone can see if you've left them off, and that's an instant red flag for investors. Best move? Leave all of them on, and then go ahead and hit launch my token now. In just a moment, your wallet will prompt you for confirmation. Go ahead and approve the transaction, follow the usual steps, and after a short wait, your coin will be live on Solana. But don't close everything yet. Let's head over to SolScan and see how you can track your token in real time. SolScan confirms it. Your coin is officially live on the blockchain. You can check out everything from the supply to individual transactions. But don't stop here. The next move is step 3, and that's key. So let's keep it going. This is the step where you add liquidity to your coin, which is what allows it to be traded, just like we saw on the Photon Raydium list. To begin, simply hit the Create Liquidity Pool button right here. Once you land on Raydium's site, the first thing to do is connect your wallet. Click up top and connect it manually. After that, it's time to set your base token, which is your newly launched coin. Click the token input, hop over to Moontool, grab your coin's address, and paste it into the field on Raydium. Fill in the basic info again, hit Add User Token, and select your coin. You'll notice the supply is 1 billion. Just throw 900 million into the pool since that's the common practice. Now it's time to choose your quote token. That's what people will trade with when they buy or sell your coin. Solana is the default, and really the only choice that makes sense, so we're using that. Pro tip, go ahead and max out the amount. It's a safe move, as you can always withdraw your funds later, even if things don't go as planned. Just make sure you leave out 0.2 Solana to cover Radium's pool setup fee. In the fee tier section, I recommend going with 2%. That's what I always use. I've heard other options might also do the trick, but I haven't tried them, so I can't say for sure. After choosing your fee, click Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm it through your wallet, and your coin will be ready for trading. See that? The launch was a total win, and our token is now live on Photon's listings. Now all we have to do is wait for investors to notice. While we're waiting, I'll show you my favorite technique for reading charts. That's step 4. Dex Screener is my go-to for tracking launches because I find its interface more straightforward than Photon's. It's also easier to explain in videos. To get started, pick any coin from this list, then head back to Moon Tool and copy your token's address. Replace the address in Dex Screener's URL with yours, and there you go. Your coin's chart with all the key info. Keep a close watch on liquidity. That's what really counts. As for bot snipers, they're always around and frustrating, but we just have to deal with them. During the wait, head to Radium's Portfolio tab. This is where you can track your balances and positions, plus it's the page you'll use to send profits back to your wallet. Keep an eye on the Standard tab, and your position should show up in around 10 to 15 minutes. If it takes longer, don't stress about it, it's completely normal. I'm going to show you a time-lapse of how this launch played out. There's not a lot to explain here, but I do want to drop some important tips for when you do your own launch. At first, bots will flood the scene. It's totally normal and can't really be avoided, so just ignore those. What really matters is watching your coin's volume. As people buy, you'll see market cap and liquidity go up. Liquidity is the key number here, because that's where your profits come from. Keep checking your Radium portfolio until your position shows up, then cash out once your profits look solid. Now, let me walk you through it. Now for the final step. Go to the Standard tab in your Radium portfolio and locate your LP position. Hit the minus sign, drag the slider all the way to 100%, and ignore the numbers up top. Look at the Solana amount down below instead. That's what you'll actually receive. Once you're set, click Remove Liquidity and approve it in your wallet. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial advice here. As soon as this notification shows up, your balance is updated. Take a look inside your wallet. I was able to make some good profits in just a few minutes. It's not massive, but it's a great side hustle that could bring in some steady extra cash. I'd definitely be down to do this a few times a day. To wrap this up, let me give you a quick disclaimer. This video is purely for education. I have no affiliations with Photon, Moon Tool, Dex Screener, or any of the tools I'm showing. I'm just walking you through how launching coins works. That said, this opportunity looks good right now, but nobody knows how long it'll last. So jump in if you're interested.